what the process is, that would be useful.
Okay. See, we have end-to-end process from angel to VC to IPO. And for angel network funding, we would be requiring a revenue from the startup. A steady revenue is most important aspect that we see. At least two co-founders and a steady model which is scalable, and obviously there has to be a product ready. That means the revenue whichever is coming should be coming through a product as a service bundle, or maybe a product which is there in the market, right? So that is the basic qualification or needs that we have. After that, you need to contact our team, the community team. They will go for a mock pitching. They will understand all the points and how we can match up this startup to particularly with the investors. And then our team will advise the next step for valuation, projection, pitch deck. In case you have already prepared the pitch deck as per our norms, then definitely that particular pitch deck will be ready, and then we'll give you a contract. Once the contract is signed, a demo date is given. On the particular day, you need to come. All the investors will be joining in at that particular time. Before that, we prepare a research report for you. That means this research report for investors, right? And a promo video that we show to the investors. So both these things go, and those investors who are interested will join in on the date of demo day, particularly for your startup, because the demo day is exclusive demo day. We don't have multiple startups except the idea funding. So when revenue startup comes up, only one startup will be there for the entire week. So only we do once a week, only on Saturday, 11 a.m. So that is how, after this completes, our team coordinates with all the investors and asks for their commitments. Whatever commitments comes, the term sheet process starts. Funds are transferred to your account, due diligence, and the shareholders agreement. And thereafter, the shares are allotted. Right? So this is the entire process from beginning to the end. Any follow-up question you have, please ask.
Yes. Okay, I understand where you're saying from, and the company which my company is based in UK. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's particularly okay. However, you need to let us know whether you are looking to raise funds from Indian investors or from investors in the UK or US. Mostly for angel, we have most of the investors are Desi investors, I mean, CIO or NRIs living abroad, and obviously the domestic Indian investors. But mostly we don't have, in our angel network, we don't have people who are of different citizenships. So in case it is okay for you, it is suitable for you, then that is the case. We have mostly the Desi people in the angel network.
That's absolutely fine. I mean, Desi people are most welcome to invest in my corporation. We're listed at fundable.com, which through which you can, people from all over the world can invest into it, and through any kind of share agreement that your company or the Indian law stipulates or allows. So that's absolutely fine. So I had shared the pitch deck via Ashish Tiwari to you. Did you get a chance to have a look at it?
So Ashish will look at it. I don't, that's not part of my process to check the decks. So there's a team behind it. Then we have our regional directors who complete this entire process. So they might be working already on it.
So do I need to become a gold member for the process to go through?
No,
or
not at all.
Okay, so fine. That's all the questions I had. And so if you can get somebody in your team to reach out, Ashish is already in touch, but if you guys could reach out, somebody else, and we can take it forward, yeah?
Yeah, definitely. Sanjana will connect, and she will find out. She coordinates with the community team. She will coordinate and definitely update you as well.
All right, wonderful. Thank you so much for your time, Shashi.
Pleasure. All right.